TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 78. You get the Nasdaq up 14. S&Ps are up 7.5. Gold is trading up 5.50 at 11.81. Silver is up 41 cents at $16.27. Both gold and silver, folks, are moving topside, wide price spread, accelerated volume. And this, of course, is on Fed Day. We're going to get an announcement at 2 p.m. as to where the Federal Reserve is going to stand on short-term rates. The way gold is trading right now, it's saying that they're going to stand pat and not go up on rates. You got the copper market flat at $2.35. Oil is up 47 cents, $43.67 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year is down 4 ticks, 128.25. 30-year is down 12, 158.05. Both the 10 and the 30 moved higher yesterday with volume. Today, you're backing down with lighter volume. They both want higher price, lower yield, and in fact, the 10-year is going for its high. King dollar. Now, we haven't had much movement in King dollar this morning. It's down 227 ticks, 96.76. And where the divergence comes in here is this. Last Thursday and Friday, you had the price move, wide price spread, accelerated volume, takes out the September highs. We're teetering at those highs right now. The dollar actually has come back inside of them. It's 96.88. We'll see how this shakes out at 2 o'clock. The volatility out here is going to be pretty heavy all day long. Euro is up 18 right now at $1.10. You got the yen flat at 120. Now, if we go over and we take a look at first the S&Ps, what you're going to see out here is this. The SPY is trading at up 82 cents. At 207.42, the 207.95, I figure, is probably going to get tested out here today. What we had out here yesterday, you pull back. The volume increased slightly. Today, what I expect you're going to see, we'll see whether it can take out the 207.95 or just a test of that area. The NDX 100. Now, this one here is screaming, folks, okay? And it's screaming that the whole market's going to go south. Why? Check it out. So the Qs, the high of the Qs last week was 113.24. We hit 113.34 today. Yesterday, what you had is that you tested it, did lighter volume. What I expect you're going to see out here today is more likely it's going to give it up. And why am I saying that? Well, what has happened is this. Apple come out with numbers. Numbers aren't bad. Apple is up $2. Big deal. Apple needs to be up more than $2 for folks to stay inside Apple. But that's not the number. What the number is this, is that the stocks inside the NDX 100 that are absolutely falling apart, going down like dramatically. Akamai Technologies today is down 25%, down $14.95. Verstech is down $7, another 10%. WBA, which was up $6 yesterday, just gave back $6.85. And C.H. Robinson is down $2. That is showing that underlying those indices, there's some huge problems because the only equities that we have that have gone up 10 or 15%, you had Google, no doubt, you had Amazon, but the bottom line is that there's 100 stocks inside that NDX 100, and they're going south, and they're going south by 10, 20%, not allowing anyone out of those stocks. When you have something that drops out of bed like that, that is an indication that the market itself has no buyers, is very weak, and when it gets chopped in half, it literally gets chopped in half and doesn't let anyone out. And what does that do? That puts more selling inside the marketplace. Gold market, folks, gold market wants a higher price. Gold wants the May highs, so doesn't silver. Silver is actually taken out its swing point this morning with volume. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If If you're looking for a great opportunity to diversify your financial portfolio and hedge against the falling stock market, consider the new market-safe Metals Hedge CD from Everbank. This 5-year indexed U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to metals with gold and silver components and allows you to hedge against falling equities with a short component on the SPY ETF. You can earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if gold and silver increase in value and the SPY ETF decreases across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on the CD. Don't let fallen markets get you down. Get the Metals Hedge CD. The November 12th funding deadline is quickly approaching, so hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.